If you want to disable TalkBack on OPPO Reno 15, the easiest way to do so is by simply using both volume buttons. No matter which menu is opened, you should be able to press and hold both buttons at the same time and hold it for 3 seconds in order to deactivate the TalkBack. Now, in case you cannot do so, if you cannot press and hold those two volume buttons in order to disable TalkBack, what you can do is, first of all, we're gonna actually start from the home screen. So let me actually elaborate on how you can navigate on this phone with TalkBack enabled. Every option, every button, anything that can be selected and confirmed has to be tapped on that option once. Once it is highlighted, you can double tap anywhere on this screen in order to confirm your selection. On the other hand, if you have like a gesture or something like scrolling through the next page, scrolling up and down in menus, these gestures have to be done with 2 fingers instead. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the background apps, and let me actually close everything. And let's start from the home screen. So if we go to the home screen, if you want to turn off TalkBack, then first we're gonna go to the app drawer to open settings. So with 2 fingers we can swipe up to open the app drawer, and with 2 fingers we can scroll down in order to, of course, find settings. Tap on settings once and then double tap. Over here we're just gonna scroll down to find accessibility, so tap on accessibility once and then double tap, but then tap on accessibility once again and double tap. Now over here we should be able to go to the vision option, double tap, tap on TalkBack and then double tap, tap on the TalkBack switcher and double tap, and now just confirm by choosing turn off and double tap. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.